Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing gear and powering devices so nothing interrupts tracking. First, confirm earpieces are labeled and seated for comfort. A bad seal ruins monitoring. Next, power the transmitter and in-ear receivers because stable power prevents dropouts. Then, with the mixer, pick the intended output and drop the level to about -12 dB so you avoid clipping. Once those steps are set, route the cable to the transmitter input and keep volumes conservative while you continue. Now you pair and route for a usable monitor mix and stable signal. Scan for a quiet RF frequency and pair each receiver to the transmitter channel. Clean spectrum avoids interference. Route the mixer's monitor sends, decide pre- or post-fader based on whether the band needs independent control, and set send levels between 0 and 50% to start. Then build the mix. Pan instruments for clarity. Apply small EQ cuts around 2 to 4 kHz to reduce harshness, and gentle compression to finish by testing and securing everything so the monitors stay reliable during performance. Play a test track or have the musician sing, then raise monitor gain gradually while listening for distortion and perceivable latency. You want tight, immediate response. Secure transmitter and cable paths, clip packs to clothing, and mute any channels not in use. Make sure channel labels are clear for quick changes. Troubleshooting tip: if you get no sound, immediately check battery level and charging, confirm RF lock and correct input routing, and unmute the channel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.